Okay, hello. A bit different, isn't it? But today I'm gonna have to do this unboxing sitting here because this is safer for me. Now this one is an order, first time order I did from a business called I Wonder What's Next. Now it is a food business that does wholesale stuff. It has a front door. Oh my god, obviously nowhere I can get to it. Oh my god. Do you know what? Today is a day that I don't want to play with. Right? It's just enough already, okay? So we're gonna see what's come. Okay. Now they have a lot of stuff that was on offer. A lot of stuff if you are stockpiling, if you are building a pantry, there's really good offers. Now all the links will be in the description. I am not paid by them, I paid for all of this. Okay. Oof. I'm not sure it's gonna stay very well on here, but we'll do that. How's that? That's what we're doing. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only 8 shepherd's pie mixes. So it's basically a gravy kind of sauce thing, which is fine. These were really cheap. They were like pennies, so I grabbed them. Okay, we're just gonna get this done whilst Hanny's having his nap. Right. We have chocolate and truffles that I'm gonna say they're going in the Christmas box. Okay, so there's milk chocolate with mint flavored truffles and dark chocolates with brandy liqueur truffles. They were less than £1 a pack. These are one of my favorites. I love the Co-Fresh snacks, and these ones were on offer. Some of this stuff is short dated. I really don't care because I can use it anyway. This was less than £1.50, and all of these packets, they used to be less than £1. They've all gone up to like £2 now, so if you can get them for under £1.50, you're a quid's in, right? So I got one. Couscous. This was on offer as well. It's a kilo, and it was something like, I don't know, I can't remember, but I'll put the, it's very, very tiny couscous as well, which I'm good with, and it's whole wheat. So here we go. Now they've got the Knorr cubes, stock cubes, and these were £5 a box, and there's 24 packs in a box with 8 cubes in each pack. So I got the beef ones, and I got the veggie ones. So we've got them. Now, what are these? Okay, so I have helped Tanny discover the joys of 100% peanut butter, and these guys had them for £3 cheaper than the supermarket. So I got a crunchy, there, and I'm pretty sure this one's a smooth. Yep, and they were £3 cheaper than the supermarket, so I'm good with that. And these are 100% peanuts. They don't have anything else in them. That's it. Just double checking. Yeah, 100% peanuts. That's it. Right. So, because we are big noodle eaters in this house, and I'm big noodles eaters, I mean, we love our noodles, okay? These guys actually sell the boxes by the box, right? These ones are the pork Vivon instant noodles, and that's a whole box, and that cost, I think, about £6. Now, I have been slowly introducing Tanny to better noodles than the cheap ones, right? And so he has now discovered his favourite ones are the Adomi ones, which are awesome, and one of my favourites as well. But he loves the chicken ones. He absolutely adores the chicken ones. Now this pack of 40 here, £7. So if you're stocking up, that's the best thing. Now I'm aware, pretty sure, there's some stuff missing in this, so it could have been a smaller box that is missing, but I'm pretty sure there's other stuff that should be here. So I'm gonna have to cut it here, and if the rest turns up, we'll add it on. You never know. But until then, I know that altogether my order from these guys was £44. £44. That was it. £44. And honestly, if you had to buy this stuff separately, you couldn't get it for that. You can't get it for that. It's not possible. But a lot of this stuff will go in our store pantry, our long-term storage, and the rest will be put into use. So happy days. So as it turns out, all of the stuff was there. It was me remembering something that I bought from somewhere else that is yet to come, that you'll have to wait for next week to see. Okay, so here's the costings. The pack of 40 Adomi noodles, £7.99 for 40 noodles. That is ridiculous cheap. That's awesome. The shepherd's pie recipe mix, I got 8 of those. They were 96p each. The organic couscous whole wheat 1 kilo, £2.90. Can't argue with them prices. So the smooth peanut butter kilo, £3.49, and the crunchy one was £6.99. The beef stock cubes, which were 24 packs of 8, so a proper case of them, £4.99, and the same with the veggie ones, they were £4.99. The pork instant noodles, 24 in a pack, they were £4.99. The Co-Fresh snacks, they were 49p. And the Walker's milk chocolates with mint flavoured truffle filling, 2 of those for £1.49 each, and the Walker's dark chocolates with brandy liqueur filling, 2 of those for £1.49 each. The grand total was £40.77. So I would suggest really highly that you guys check these guys out. They have a lot of offers, and if you're okay and happy with buying short dated stuff, which I am, it doesn't bother me at all, you know, especially when it's dry store stuff and it hasn't been opened, it's completely sealed, I don't have a problem with that at all. Check them out. Links in the description. Bye.